What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless upon yourself, viewers and subscribers. I don't know the thing going on. I don't know, so they attacking boss. They are NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. Well, people, on a real level right now, me have some sad news to talk about. You understand? And it's no joke. And people, you see in this vlog here right now, me go into every details, every sketch I get, because a lot of people left confused right now when them see the story where I make headline news right now, people, of a beautiful female who was cut down, people, or who was killed by her husband. Well, viewers and subscribers, just like how I get it, me go into the two-part of how I get the story, people, and where the streets attack. So now NEWLINK I go to now. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said that on September the 20th, a female body was discovered in her husband's apartment, people, in the kitchen area. Because it is said that on September the 18th, this female left to go collect her 1-year-old and 8-month-old baby who was at the husband, people. And it is said that from the time when she got there, people, you understand, no one hear from her family and everybody a try, you know what I mean? So them summon the police, and until September the 20th, that's when the police go make a check, people. And when they make a check, they found this female, people, on the ground in the kitchen, lying in a pool of blood. They found the baby also in the apartment, people, an arm on earth, but its condition, the baby have blood, you understand, still blood all over the baby. Plus, them say the baby have filth and them something all over. You know what I mean? Because I look at baby, people, 2 days and then at the place on. You get me? Well, viewers and subscribers, a lot of people been asking and say, yo, John, why this husband so wicked? Why could I do something like this? Well, people, no matter the wicked or what they say, you understand, it still give no man no rights to kill no woman, and it give no woman no rights to kill no man. But viewers and subscribers, there's something big behind this, and NEWLINK I go tell you know what them say I go on. Well, people, it is said that this female, right, who is from down the western side originally in Jamaica, well, she has been married to a man who lives in the United States of America. Well, people, them say the married where she married, you know, viewers and sub. It wasn't a married like say, no, say, I love him, and we in this together, and we are going to bond together and have this relationship together. It is said that people, on a real level, she married a man to get the stay in the country. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said that of recent times, argument keep on develop and they keep on a fight, and the man kind of find out, say, she nah show him the love what him deserve. Well, people, it is said that the man find out on multiple times, multiple occasions, that this female is even cheating on her, allegedly. You understand? Now I say, I mean, people are where the streets attack. Well, viewers and subscribers, it is said of recently, the man found out that this baby is not his child, and the baby is supposed to be the child of a man who live in a Jamaica. For when this female go down a yard, she always with this man, and it is said that deep inside, she really love the man at Jamaica, but don't love the man overseas, because basically she married the man to get the stay. That's where the street attack, allegedly. Well, viewers and subscribers, in the end, right, it really sad as myself know how the man deal with the female people, because them say she was found with stab wound also, you understand, and even gunshot wounds, and them say the man was also found in the apartment with gunshot wounds, which it's alleged, people. You get me? I say it's alleged. It's what the news information I read to NEWLINK, and that's why I'm going to the two side to the thing. Me now say, yo, that exactly happened or that I go on, but these are things where I read to NEWLINK people, and them I say this are the full reason why everything I go on. Well, viewers and subscribers, I say this over and over. Females out there, we understand say you want opportunities. We understand say you need a better life. But listen me, you have to really be careful. Because we want opportunity, you want a better life, you see a man you can take the risk and come so boom. And deep inside you don't love the man, and the man go do fall in love. You get me? I say, worse you go give a man a pit where no female him go find out, people, there's gonna be a problem. there's going to be consequences. And I'm not telling no man, so listen, you have to go beat no woman, you have to go war no woman, you have to go fight no woman because, you know what I mean, then give a jacket or them thing there. But all I'm saying, females out there, you don't know what is inside of a man's heart. You get me? It's not the first time we see something like this. Look at a beautiful female like this, people. Her life gone, you know. Zine left all her family, everybody mourning, and I have saw where even a GoFundMe has been launched for her because the the person them who launched the GoFundMe has say, yo, they can't believe that she has been gone and they just bury another family 3 weeks ago, so they never prepare for this one right now, and they have been hit really hard. You get me? So on September the 20th, this female people was found, and them say it is suspected that she was murdered from September the 18th. I remember me tell people the condition of the baby inside of the house and the blood. Well, basically people, as me I tell her, them say the pitney is not for the man. You know what I mean? And them say him took female life, him took the female life, then took female life. But I'm looking to the whole thing, people. Jano, a lot of times this is things like this happen. We say, yo, that jacket and so. We say the child dead also. You know what I mean? Which nobody know for dead people. If the man want dead, him go kill himself. You understand? But to give him no rights to kill the female. We know a lot of man are going to say, yo, what you mean? Say, give the man jacket and have a next man and do this and marry the man for paper and so. But look into it. Him destroy him life right now because him gone. You get me? I say, wish him could have deal with the thing better. If him know deep inside, say, you are going, and this the woman married me for, so then do your ways and do your works and cancel everything. You get me? I say, if you can't cancel it, just move on and call it a loss. If you find out that the child enough, if you still love the child, if you still want to play a role and help the mother with the child, but deep inside then one of you, or if you just want part ways, just part ways and go on. But in the end now, the female life has been taken, right? This man life has been taken allegedly, because me not confirmed by me, people. I get the full details on the female, but me just hear them something. I say the man life also gone. And me I look into the whole thing and I say, boy, Jano Star, yeah? Somebody, this man could find somebody to talk to. Somebody must know the situations that he's been going through, right? If I saw it really go where them say the pitney and a feme and the woman constantly abun him. But people, female out there must have sense. They get me, I say, you must have sense, use no head. You can't expect, say, you are going to do that with every man because you see how the art of mankind has still now. It's totally different. And I like when you can hear some old people that tell us some story, and even I say some old people, but hear some other people that tell us some story where all and you and I tell you how them do this and how them play the games right and them do this. This game nowadays can't play no more. No more game that they have to play now because mankind not think now. A straight action them a work with. You get me? And see it now. A life has been gone. A life has been lost. Left a mother to mourn. Left a father to mourn. A young girl. Body have to go coming back to Jamaica now to bury it. It's sad. But all me as a people, oh, people need to learn, people need to wise up. And I just want to send up my deepest condolences to the family, you understand, of this female. And as I tell the people, it is alleged. And I like some me have coolly confidence, say, yo, yeah, you get me as a people. But in the end, these are the news we are reaching NEWLINK. And know so when things like this happen, people, even if you not go exactly so, either close to it goes, because the persons who push out these people say these information are coming from close families. You get me, I say? So you don't know the thing go. But all me can say, people, my condolences to the family of this female. You get me, I say, and may her soul rest in peace. And yo, Jamaicans and everybody in the world, whether Caribbean country, whether Trinidad, Bahamas, St. Vincent, St. Kitts, you get me, I say, all over the globe. Learn. Please do learn and learn from this. And man, wise up. Don't marry the woman for them pretty looks. Know the woman, be with the woman, see what's the woman made of. Make sure you find out so the woman love her before you jump and go put her on the ring there. Because in the end, don't make it reach to this. Peace out, viewers and subscribers. You don't know the thing, man. If you don't subscribe, people, please do subscribe now and hit that notification bell icon so as NEWLINK drop a video, you will get them. Follow me on Instagram. You don't know. Facebook, Twitter, NEWLINK Production.